So it's lovely having solo time so that we have our own space with nature that gives us the ability to just interact in a very natural way and not be so self-conscious, and also just not distracted, so that we can be really present with nature. But whenever you feel bored, that's a sign that there's the opportunity to go a little bit deeper. So my teacher always says, boredom heralds the arrival of the teacher. So if you're finding yourself thinking, oh, I want to look for something new, just remember that there's always further that we can go